In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your photos with Google Gemini AI and generate stylish AI images of you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a regular picture into a fresh, stylized version using a simple image-to-image workflow inside Gemini. First, open your Gemini account. Use the web app or the official mobile app, whichever you prefer. Make sure you've got a reliable internet connection and have two images ready on your device: a style reference and the portrait you want to transform. The style reference could be a photo with the color palette, lighting, or vibe you want to copy. The portrait is the photo of you that will be edited to match that style. Once you're in, click on Tools. This is where Gemini groups its creative features so you can work with images more directly. From there, click Create Image. You'll land on a clean canvas where you can give Gemini a visual starting point and guide it with text. Next, click the plus icon. This opens the file picker so you can add your photos. Locate your files and upload the image you want to use as the style reference. This tells Gemini, here's the look I'm going for. High-quality images work best. Crisp, well-lit pictures often produce clearer results. Now upload your second image, the portrait you want transformed. This is the photo that will take on the look and feel of your reference. It's time to enter your prompt. Keep it focused and direct. You want the second photo to look like the first photo. A clear example is make the second photo match the lighting, color grading, and overall style of the first photo while keeping the person's identity the same. You can add details like soft cinematic lighting, vintage tones, or clean studio look, as long as they're visible in the reference image. If background or wardrobe should remain unchanged, say so. If you'd like the background to subtly match the mood of the reference, state that too. The goal is to describe the transformation, not to introduce unrelated changes. Now wait patiently while Gemini processes your prompt. Generation time can vary depending on image size and complexity. Avoid closing the page while it's working. If the outcome isn't quite right, clearer wording usually helps. Be specific about the elements you want matched, such as lighting direction, color temperature, or contrast. That's it. You opened your Gemini account, went to Tools, created an image, uploaded your two photos, wrote a focused prompt to match the second to the first, and let Gemini generate the result. With a strong reference and a precise prompt, you can quickly create stylish AI images that reflect the exact look you had in mind.